Experiencing issues with your Tesla app not displaying energy usage for your Powerwall or solar system? You're not alone. In this video, we'll break down the common causes and provide troubleshooting steps to get your data syncing again. We'll cover everything from basic fixes to more advanced solutions, ensuring you can monitor your energy production and consumption effectively. To troubleshoot effectively, it's crucial to understand how Tesla's energy system works. The Tesla Energy Gateway is the central hub integrating your Powerwall, solar inverters, and home energy meter. The app pulls data from the TEG via Wi-Fi or cellular, transmitting it to Tesla's cloud servers before syncing to your app. Knowing this data flow is key to diagnosing connection problems. Confirming you have enabled the Energy tab in your Tesla account preferences is also important. This data flow can be summarized as TEG to cloud to app. Let's start with the easiest solutions to fix Tesla app energy data display issues. These quick fixes often resolve temporary glitches that disrupt data syncing. If force quitting doesn't help, clear the app's cache to remove temporary data that might be causing conflicts. If cache clearing doesn't resolve the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app to start fresh. A stable internet connection is essential for your Tesla app to display energy data properly. The Tesla Energy Gateway relies on a strong Wi-Fi network to sync data in real time. To ensure connectivity, restart your home router. This refreshes the connection and can resolve temporary network issues that might prevent data syncing. Next, restart the Tesla Gateway itself. You can do this through the Tesla app in the energy settings, or by physically power cycling the device if needed. Finally, check the Gateway's firmware version in the app. Outdated firmware can lead to synchronization problems and display issues with energy data. Tesla uses MQTT, which stands for Message Queuing Telemetry Transport, for real-time data updates in their energy systems. However, VPNs or other network configurations can sometimes interfere with this MQTT protocol. Try disabling your VPN temporarily to see if it resolves the energy data display issue. Also, ensure that two-factor authentication is properly configured, as glitches with this security feature can sometimes block data syncing. This MQTT protocol is key to maintaining real-time energy data updates in Tesla's ecosystem. When basic fixes fail, hardware issues may be the cause. For solar data problems, start by verifying the physical connections to your solar inverter to ensure they're secure and undamaged. For Powerwall-related issues, access the energy screen in the Tesla app to monitor battery levels and look for any abnormal readings that might indicate connection problems. Pay attention to discrepancies, such as the app displaying zero energy usage when you know power is being consumed. This often points to faulty current transformer clamps on the meter. If you suspect hardware problems, don't attempt repairs yourself. Contact Tesla support immediately for professional inspection and resolution. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting steps and your energy data still isn't syncing, it's time to contact Tesla support. Have your Tesla account information and details about your system ready. Looking ahead, Tesla is increasingly integrating AI into its energy systems to predict and resolve sync issues autonomously. Keep an eye out for future app updates that promise improved reliability and seamless integration with smart grids. Also, stay informed on trends like real-time carbon offset tracking, though these features might initially increase data load.